Master bathroom. Full-sized shower, water closet, tub. Reorient back to the master bedroom. Nice big windows, huge space. There's the master. That's the front of the house. Bonus space leading to the backyard, covered patio. Big laundry area. Closet. Pantry. Surprise! Big, big living space. Space for 4 to eat over there. And a full dining area. And a lovely living space. Take another look. That's your front door where we came in. You come in and you see this. That's one bedroom. That's your whole open concept living area. Bedroom with a closet. A bathroom, and another full bedroom, with a closet. Beautiful, beautiful house. And this would be the door to the garage, so that's where your garage would be. What do you think? Can you see yourself living here? Gorgeous. Come on by.